Hello, in front of me I've got Subaru Impreza 3. In this video I'll tell you about hidden features and best equipment of this car. The hidden gems of this car include heated seats in higher trims, auto-folding mirrors in some markets, and hidden diagnostics menu on the dashboard. The best equipment includes the Symmetrical all-wheel drive, 6 CD changer in some trims, and robust boxer engine. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.